Hello friends, today we'll solve the problem number 169 majority element. So let's understand the problem. Given an array nums of size n, return the majority element. So let's quickly understand the example. Like nums is 3 to 3 and output is 3. So 3 came more times, so we just need to find the majority element. So 3 is the majority element here. And nums in here we can see, right, 2 is came 4 times and 1 is came 3 times. So 2 is the output. So how we can solve? This is a simple problem. So we just need to find the majority element. So how we can do? We can have one output variable, and we can loop through this nums, and we can just count the numbers which is more time, and just we can return the output. So how we can achieve? So we can give one, we can write to one output variable. We need to initialize this to none, because we can't store anything, right? Zero or nothing. So then we need to have one counter, it will be 0. Then we need to loop through the array. So how we can do? For num in nums array, then we check if count is equal to 0. Then if count is 0, then what we need to do? Then in output we need to store the our num. So whatever first number is there, it will get stored in output. Okay, then again we will go to the if loop. If output is equal to num, then what we can do? We can increase the count, right? If not, then we could decrease the count to -1. Okay, then what finally we need to do? We need to just return the output, which we will storing the majority element. So let's run this. Let's see if it succeeded or not. Yeah, it's accepted. So we can quickly go through the one this example. Let's see. This I will store output, and we can take from here. So then first our n will point to first element. For n means nums. For num in nums, count is equal to 0. Yes, then output will become num. So what is num is 2. Then then it will check output is equal to num. Yes, output is equal to num. Yeah, num 2, right? Then count, we need to increase the count to 1. Yes, we increase. Then it will go to num. Then again num will go to, means we need to increase the our num. Then count is equal to 0. No, count is not 0. Then output is equal to num. Yes, output is 2 and num is 2. So we just need to increase the count to +1. So it will become 2. Then what we it will go to here. Then num in nums. So then again num we need to increase to 1. Then count is equal to 0. No. Then output is equal to num. Output is our 2 and num is equal to 1. So it is not true. Then it will go to else. Count we need to just decrease to 1. Okay, then again it will go to num. Then we need just to increase to the n. N will become 1. So then count is equal to 0. No. Then output is equal to num. No, output is 2. Num is 1. So it will not. It will just decrease the count. It will go to the else condition. Count will be 0. Then again it will go to num in nums. So num we need to increase, right? Then count, now count is 0. So count is equal to 0. Then output will become to num. So what is num? 1. Output will become 1. Then if output is equal to num, yes, our num is 1 and output is 1. So it will count it will increase the counter to 1. So count will become now 1. So and then again it will come to here for num. So for num, n is will become 2, and it will check count is equal to 0. No, count is 1. Then it will, if output is equal to num, output is 1, num is 2. So it will also not true. Then else count is minus. Then we need to just decrease the count to 0. Then again it will go for num in nums. Then we just need to increase the n, and num will become 2. So if count is equal to 0, yes, count is now 0, then output is equal to num. What is output? Initially it is 1, now it will 2, right? Then we, this condition is satisfied, so we replace the, we count, output will change. So then if output is equal to num, then yes, output is true, n is equal to 2, count will become 1. So then again l will, yep, for num in nums. So just increase the num is out of range, so loop will finish. Then whatever the output is there, output is 2, so it will just return the 2. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.